Yo, what's up, guys? Today, leave your democracy, human rights, and all that everyone is equal nonsense at the door. Because we're diving into nature's most brutal, most fascist, but most efficient corporation, Goblin Corp. There are no unions here, no strikes, just one rule: obey the motherboard or die. Why does this system work? Let's look at a year in the tragicomic life of the goblins. It's the start of the year! The factory is open! Meet the CEO, the chairman, and basically everyone's mom, the Motherboard. She pumps out 2,000 new employees every single day. Motherboard shouts, "Bring me protein, you failures! We need turnover!" The worker goblins are miserable. They are all female, all sterile, and have no salary. They get paid in yellow dust, but they can't even eat it. They just store it in the warehouse. Worker goblin is sad. Worker goblin is tired. Little do they know, the system will only let them live for 6 weeks before tossing them in the trash. Yikes. But the assembly line never stopped. The stockpile kept growing. Early summer, meet the Prince Goblins chilling in the VIP lounge. These guys have no stingers, no weapons, and their brains, well, meh. Their only purpose? To hang out in the sky with young princesses? That's it. Prince says, "Bro, the market is up. Yellow dust parity hit the ceiling. I'm gonna take another nap." Worker asks, "Sir, could you help us move this heavy rock?" Prince replies,
"Honey, my hands are too delicate for that. I have a vision for the future."
But the assembly line never stopped. The stockpile kept growing. Midsummer, the factory is packed. Population hits 60,000. The old motherboard realizes her throne is shaking, so she triggers Plan B, the corporate split. She grabs half the staff and says, "I'm starting a new startup." And she bails. A new motherboard emerges from the pod, and her first executive order? Killing her own sisters. New queen says, "There's only room for one CEO in this house, darling. Bye-bye." The knives are out. It's Game of Thrones, baby. Democracy? Don't make me laugh. But the assembly line never stopped. The stockpile kept growing. And then came the day. The flowers died. The yellow dust imports stopped. Budget deficit. The CFO looks at the balance sheet and says, "Cut the unnecessary expenses." And who is the unnecessary expense? The princes who ate all summer. Prince shouts, "Wait, girls, let us in. We're freezing. What happened to our vision?" Bouncer Goblin says, "Vision's over, pal. Winter is here. No more food." The workers kick the princes out into the snow. No severance pay. No notice period. Prince Goblin is shocked. Prince Goblin is dead. So, what would happen if Goblin Corp had a democracy? The princes would vote against being kicked out. Result, not enough food. Everyone dies. Nature loves monarchy because in a crisis, there is no time for debate. You act or you go extinct. Next time you eat honey, remember the conspiracies, the murders, and those frozen princes inside that jar? I'm out of here. The motherboard is calling. Subscribe, or I'll sting you.